The Office.
And it's contaminated. I can't even eat the Jell-O, the food. You know, you people need to get the damn. You know what? You really need to all, you know what? I'm really convinced you all need a little therapy. You all need a little help, okay? Now, this is not for autistic. This is for the insane.
Yes. David left.
You thank David and Nikki.
Am I going to clean this shit? You made this for them?
Nikki made it.
You had no part of this? You had no part of this?
Yesterday. Did David leave?
What?
All my missing stuff. Come look. Go look where my missing stuff is.
Oh, is your tape dispenser in there?
My stapler, my tape dispenser, my scissors.